Excuse me, young man.
Good morning, ma'am. How can I help you?
I'm new to this area. Could you please tell me where the nearest shopping mall is?
Of course. It's a little far to walk. Would you like me to take you there?
Yes, please. That would be very kind of you.
No problem. Please get in. Is this your first time in this neighborhood?
Yes, it is. I just moved here yesterday.
Welcome! The shopping mall has supermarkets, clothing stores, pharmacies, and restaurants. You should find everything you need there.
That's wonderful. I need to buy some groceries and a few household items.
Then you've chosen the right place. Here we are, ma'am. This is the nearest shopping mall.
Oh, thank you so much. You were very helpful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a lovely day and enjoy your shopping.
Thank you. Have a safe day.
Thank you, ma'am. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English conversations.